What are they going to tell our great children? 4 centuries here after. He had when I going on the Kazu Asadi, and Kazu to here photo Kazu. Here when I going a mantra on the Australia, and all photo mantra. So are we going to tell our future generations? Are we going to give them this? And what we inherited, what they walk down, I'm going to they gave it to us, they protected it. And why should we not protect it? It's the duty of the government, unfortunately our government has failed us. The last 5 years, I said I will not use this on the platform, but it's not possible any longer to tolerate the kind of corruption that is going on. So let us cut out the root of corruption. If these are accepted, at least 90% of the corruption will end. I don't say that we will totally end corruption. That is not possible because it has become Justice Krishna become speed money. But you still have your files on one.
एक चार्टर ना पडले असा जे सोयी फुटारून तुमकां एक्सप्लेन केले आसा ते तुम्ही मानपाक जाय. आज पर्यंत आम्ही एक टोटल 4,000 लोक जे तिनूय सभा धरले जाल्यार ह्या सभेक अटेंड जाल्ले आसा मेबी मोर. पूण आज ह्या मडगांवच्या शारांत जे लोक हांगा हाजीर आसात तांचे कडेन हांव एक विनंती करता की हे जे 10 पॉयंट जे आसात चार्टराचे ते तुम्ही मान्य करतात. खऱ्यांनीच मान्य करतात जाल्यार उबे रावन तुमचे हात वयर काडून तुम्ही होय म्हणचे हे तुम्ही मान्य करतात. हे तुम्ही मान्य करतात. देव बरें करूं. इनाफ इज इनाफ. मातशें देव बरें करूं. 2 मिनिटां. डॉक्टर बाब जस्टिस रेबेलो
find out later. Any response I'm going. This is the basis for the new petition that will be filed.
Okay.
And I've got assurances from a senior advocate from Bombay that he will appear pro bono in this matter. And each letter they ask me, I hope he will help also. Apnke Sankpal che secretary he will help them also. Because I je master permane जे no rules kelna we effect section 17A and जे आजपासून from 97 आजपासून चालता is totally illegal. हे सगळे आम्ही लेटरात बरयले.
जे गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसर तेन्ना ते आतां पासून जे इलिगलिटीका सपोर्ट केला तेंचेरय तुम्ही एक्शन घेवचे मागता.
तो आमचो नंबर चार्टराक नंबर 10 पॉइंट आसा. Officers who are corrupt to help to put up notes to allow permissions, we are going to fight against them.
So you will approach in courts now?
As far as bill cutting is concerned, we are going to approach them. Against the officers, as and when we get material, we will take action.
So you have said satyagraha, which will be on the satyagraha. So it will be तुझे कथा नाही आहे नवे एक रिव्होल्यूशन खातीर स्टार्ट जालो दिसता.
It's not only for the entire movement will be a peaceful movement.
Yeah.
We don't want any violence.
Yeah.
We want to follow the path of the Mahatma.
So this is a new revolution fight का म्हणतात का?
न्यू गांधी
No. New revolution will be started.
It's not a, it is embedded in our independent struggle.
Okay.
It's the only thing maybe we're reviving it.
Okay.
It is there in the independent struggle. We have learned from that. So, okay, going to Goa, perhaps it will be for the first time it is because take Cholbala Matre violence. We don't want violence. We don't want people to go to jail.
Sir, approaching the courts of law, kenna देखून जातले after
As soon the petition will be filed as soon as possible. It's on the process of being drafted, and it will be filed shortly.
So it is from 1997 till now.
According to me, no permissions could have been granted from 1997.
Yeah.
But Tija Saab, what has been done can't be undone.
Okay. Yeah.
So where constructions have not started or occupancy certificate has not been given, we are going to ask for a stay of those constructions. Counter plan was named. That counter plan must be in terms of the Surveyor General of India's topo maps, and that was been followed up to 2023. 2023 suddenly this had changed by some, though those rules continue. Bypassing the rules, permission have been given, and this is all set out in this letter.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms for the latest updates and content.